Today I'm going to show you how to add picot edging to a shawl. So doing the picots are really fun. The most important thing as you're creating them along your project is to make sure that you're spacing them out evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to keep your spacing nice and even so that your shawl looks really nice when you're done. In order to do the picots that I'm doing in here, what we're going to do is start by doing 3 single crochet along the side of my shawl. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. And then I'm going to go into the next space here and do another single crochet. And then I'm going to go to this next space, single crochet. And now we're going to chain 3. In order to do a picot and make sure that it's not going to come apart, and you want to make sure that they actually bump up like this, we are going to insert our hook through this little space here and the leg here. So we're going to insert our hook through that one and this one. Now you want to yarn over and pull through all of the stitches, or all of the loops, I mean, okay? And then we have the cutest little picot. Now we're going to single crochet 3 and just keep them nice and even. Don't overthink where you're going to put your hook. Just look for the next best option and it should be fine. And then here's my 3rd single crochet. And now we're going to chain 3. And then insert your hook through both of these loops here. So insert it through that one and this one. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops and the 3rd loop. And there's your little picot. And then we're going to single crochet 3. Oops. Chain 3. Insert your hook through both of these little loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then we'll just continue that until you're done with completing your border on your shawl. They look so cute. I love the way that this edging can really just finish off a shawl.